Good morning and welcome to day 8 of the Northcape trip. It is the last day until Honningsvåg, or however you pronounce it. We just left Nordkjosbotn. It was a horrible night. I am tired AF. You know, it was just not good. The ride yesterday was very long. I had pain in my shoulder. It is still there, so yeah, not a great night. So I had a chat with another biker from Germany, from Mainz. So he was super cool. He went to the North Cape at 4 a.m. in the morning to just get the picture with his bike in front of the globe. So that is dedication. And then he basically rode all the way down in a very lengthy trip and so on. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So there will be no picture of me in front of no picture of the bike in front of the globe at the North Cape. So I'm not feeling it right now. So, and today, today's another 7.5 hours ride, 512 kilometers. It's gonna be a long one. It's gonna be a long and tough one, especially once we are on top of the mountains where it's very rainy and you pass through clouds and everything. So it's gonna be super tough. Short update already. I hope you can see it. It looks absolutely stunning. One of the Bob Ross paintings, it looks like this, like he himself painted it. It looks so gorgeous. Oh my god. And we have 14 degrees Celsius, so oh my. It looks absolutely great. This is definitely worth the pain that I feel right now in my lower back and my shoulder. Oh, it is so cool. It is so cool. Oh my, let's hope we can see more of this on the left now. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Look at this. Absolutely calm waters. It smells like fish. It looks so good. And I'm warm now. Here, oh my god. It looks amazing. Ooh, nice. So we've been traveling for 2 hours already. Still five hours to go. So far the weather is holding up, It's sunny and it's great. It's 14 degrees, I'm a bit on the warmer side right now, which is good. You can easily open and close vents, so that's easy. But when there's nothing left, there's nothing left, So yeah, it's still 366 kilometers, but so far everything is absolutely smooth and amazing. Roads are perfect. Of course, look at the roads there. They're new. They're newly done. So yeah, it's great. No animals so far. No reindeers, no moose. So either lucky or unlucky, depends. But all in all, very good. Scenery is gorgeous. and it's just a beautiful ride so far. So yeah, I even at some point got the drone out. Update, you know, we just hit the 4-hour mark into the ride, so 3.5 hours left, 230 kilometers, and it is starting to rain. Six-hour update, you know, I've been traveling for 6 hours now, but we are almost there, you know, it's only an hour left, an hour and 5 minutes, and only 74 kilometers, so we are very close. The weather is holding up so far, sunny, 13.5 degrees Celsius, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I'm kind of tired and exhausted, but it's fine, you know. Nothing a hot shower and a nice meal can't fix. So yeah, it's the first time I see it like this, because the last time it was all foggy and rainy, and this time it's the other way around, you know. I had rain all the way up and sun here, and before it was sun all the way up and rain here. So yeah, some, you know, bicyclists, they're just crazy. They're doing all this on their own, with their feet, you know, pedaling on. But this road is new. And it looks absolutely stunning. I will definitely bring out the drone later today at the hotel, and then yeah, get some shots in, you know. It's absolutely nice. It looks amazing. I will update you the last time when we arrived at the destination, not the Nordkjosbotn today, but you know, Honningsvåg or something, at the hotel. It was a bit on the pricier side, it was like only 65 euros. So yeah, but it's still expected at a tourist place. So yeah, I leave you to those images and talk to you in the next update. We are not there yet, but I think this is a final update. This is just so gorgeous. Oh my god. And want to end on this note, you know. I want to end on something positive. 8 days from a little bit south of Berlin to Honningsvåg, 3.5 thousand kilometers, something like this. What a journey. What a journey. It's been very good so far, and it only gets better once we're in Sweden and the weather is like this, because then it's actually campable. So it is absolutely beautiful.